Hello! Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to explain and write step by step how to add the squares of the binomials 8x plus 5y and 8y plus 5x. First, I'm going to expand each binomial by applying the formula for binomial square. A plus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial, 8x plus 5y, the term 8x corresponds to the a in the formula, and the term 5y corresponds to the b in the formula. In the second binomial, 8y plus 5x, 8y corresponds to the a in the formula, and 5x corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when we apply the formula for each binomial, we expand them and we get 8x in parentheses squared plus 2 times 8x multiplied by 5y plus 5y in parentheses squared plus 8y in parentheses squared plus 2 times 8y 5x plus 5x squared. As a next step, I need to apply the rule of exponents for power of a product with two factors. A multiplied by b in parentheses to the power of n equals to a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n. And then I need to simplify further. 8x in parentheses squared is 8 squared x squared, or 64x squared. In the next term, 2 times 8 times 5 equals 80, and then we have x, y, plus 5y in parentheses squared is 5 squared y squared, or 25y squared, plus 8y in parentheses squared is 8 squared y squared, or 64y squared, plus, again we have 2 times 8 times 5, which is 80yx, plus 5 squared x squared is 25x squared. As a last step, I need to add all terms that are like or similar. Like or similar terms are those that have the same literal parts. Or, for example, we have 64x squared and 25x squared are like terms. I also have 80xy, which is the same term as 80yx. And then I have 25y squared and 64y squared, which are also like terms. I add each pair of these terms and I get 64x squared plus 25x squared is 89x squared plus 80xy and 80yx, or 80xy, is 160xy, plus 25 and 64, again 89y squared. I can't simplify this further, therefore this is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.